This is Avalanche Staking, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can currently stake your USDT for days and earn a reward right here. This is quite straightforward, and I'm going to dive into the video and show you how to register, how to withdraw, and everything right here. So click on this particular site right here. You can see I've currently registered, so I'm going to log in. So before I log in, let me show you how you can register. So you click on register, the register icon right here, you click on it, right? So you can either register with your email or use your mobile number to make your registration. So if you use your Gmail, you just put your Gmail right here, input your password, then confirm your security password also. So after you've done that, then go ahead right here to put the invitation code. So I'm going to send a link to register in the description of this particular video. It's at the comment section also, so I'm going to send it to you so you can register right here. So, and you can actually download this particular app also. You can see we have the download icon right here, so you can download app right here. So once you download this particular app, you're going to have it on your mobile phone, and you can have an easy access to it right here. So let's log in into this platform and let's dive into how it currently works right here. So this is the platform right here. So you can see we have the staking product. These are the how you can actually stake, and you can currently stake and you're going to be making good amount of money right here. So just go read about this particular stuff. Read here, you can see we have the amount that you can stake, and you can see the link to the website, the demo, and the Telegram account. Everything is going to be a description of this particular video for you to actually check out. So this is my account. So in my account, you can see I have an investment of about 100 USDT, just like a test run for this particular platform, and I have a balance that I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to withdraw my balance right here for what I've staked so far in this particular platform right here. So it's kind of straightforward right here. So before we go into, you can actually get more by getting a team. So if you start a team member, you're going to be getting more. So I'm going to show you how that is being done right here. So if you check out this particular site, you are going to see the team referral program right here. So on the team referral program, it is quite easy and straightforward. This is your link to actually send to your friend, and once you send it to your friend, you're going to be getting more reward right here. You can see we have a level 1, we have a level 2, we have a level 3. So the more the level you recharge, the more you actually get your people to benefit from this particular platform right here. So let's go back into the staking right here. So remember, if you want to download the app also, the app is currently at this particular site, so you can just click on it right here. You can see this is the app. So download the app on your account just like that right here. So let's go into how to deposit into this platform, because that's the best thing, that's the first thing you're going to be doing. So to register, you need to click on recharge right here. So you can see recharge right here. So on your recharging, you can actually recharge is either the TRC20 or the BEP20. I think these are the two fastest way to actually go ahead to recharge. So is that the TRC20 or BEP20? So let's use I think TRC20 is kind of common of BEP20. So let's use BEP20 right here. So after you've gotten this, you click on your copy, you copy this, then after you copy this, you go straight to your account, to your wallet. So once you go straight to your wallet, you are going to send the amount you want to send right here, and when you are done, you click on payment has been completed. Then this is actually going to rotate and show successfully. So once it actually shows successfully, you can see copy this particular address and scan this. Please note that recharge or BNB20 assets to the fund is going to arrive in 1 or 3 minutes, and do not, if it does not arrive, please come or refresh your account. So if you actually get this done and it does not arrive, just make sure you get your customer care and refresh your account right here. You can reach out to the customer care also right here. I'm going to send a link to the customer care also at the Telegram so that you can join it. So after you've recharged and you've seen your money right here, so the first thing you need to do is to invest right here. You can see we have different plan right here. So you can see we have the 24 hours plan, international plan 1, right? So in the other one, we have the international plan 2 right here. We have also the international plan 3, which is about 600 USDT. We have the international plan 4 right here. We have the international plan 5 also. We have the international plan 6. Those are the staking method, and we have the international plan 7. So this is the amount, this is the maximum amount you can actually recharge, 95,000 USDT right here, and that is quite a massive. So the daily return is going to be about 32% of this, and you're going to be getting about 11,200 USDT daily right here. So the higher you go, the higher you become, and the highest you can currently do, which is 95,000 USDT above the staking right here. So I'm going to check the amount I can currently stake, and let's see how it can go ahead to lock up right here. So you can see if I actually stake to this particular site, so I'm going to be staking right here. So if I actually stake, about the minimum amount you can actually use in this particular platform is $9 right here. You can see 9. So the maximum amount you can use is $95,000 dollars right here, 95,000 USDT. I think this is the maximum you can currently use. Okay, this is more than the maximum, but you can actually use $95,000 right now. And the days you can actually use day one and more than that. So let's go with my 100, because I currently have 100 right here. So I'm going to click on 100 right here. So I'm going to be staking for, okay, let's see. So I have 100. If I stake for a day, per day I'm going to be getting 15%, and in 24 hours I'm going to be getting 15, and in one I'm going to send 15. So if I click on stake, it's going to stake off for me. And so let me click on 100. Let's use 100. So I'm going to be using 25 days, 28 days for this right here. So the longer you stake, the more your profit right here. So I'm going to be using 28 days. So let me just type it right here, 28. So I'm staking this for 28 days right now. So you can see, so after I stake it for 28 days, I'm going to be getting $15 per day, like 15% per day. So in 24 hours I'm going to be getting 15 USDT right here, and in 28 days I'm going to be getting this. So that's close to a month. So I'm going to go ahead to do the staking right here. So I'm going to click on stake, and let's see. Okay, so you can say stake, confirm stake of this. So I'm going to confirm. So in case you make a mistake, you can go ahead to make your correction after you've currently done that. So you click on confirm right here. So let's see, confirm successful. So you can see at this particular site, my money has actually left this invest stuff and actually gone to staking right here. So this is the amount I've staked. So, and I'm going to be getting this particular one every 24 hours right here. So I'm going to be coming here every 24 hours to claim it. So at this particular point, you've actually seen this, but before you go ahead, make sure you make your own personal research. Be sure you want to invest into this particular platform. The investment is all about risk. So I'm taking my own personal white risk right here after I've checked some stuff about this particular platform right here. So this is a disclaimer. Make sure you make your own personal research before you eventually jump into this particular video, and you can ask questions at the comment section, or also you can ask them at the Telegram and right here to make sure you want to invest into this particular platform right here. So you can actually lock up, you can lock up for a lot of days. You can lock up for 8 days. There's an 8 days lockup right you can currently do right here. So this is the receipts of the staking details. So you can click right here, you can see this is the nothing yet for now. So currently there's nothing yet for the staking details at this particular moment right here. So you can see you can currently stake for about 2 days, 1 day, 28 days right here. So you can see the staking. So you can stake for a day. You can currently stake for a day. Let me see the amount, the highest you can stake right here. So you can stake for a day, and you can stake for 365 days right there. So you can stay, if you stake for 365 days, you are going to be getting this particular profit for about 100. Let me show you 100. If you click on 100 right here, so you're going to be getting this amount for 365 days, and that is quite going to be massive. But our advice is just do for 28 days right here into this particular platform, right? So let's talk about their stock and what they actually happen. So this is the stock platform right here. You can see the specific investment is actually for the number of options, so you can deposit and do your option right here. So let's click on this particular site and let's check out their reward center. So on the reward center right here, you can currently get a lot of reward, but nothing to show at this particular site right here. So if you want to get the customer care, this is the support system. So you can click on this. On Telegram, you can get the customer service right here, and do not forget the referral is kind of here. So let's go into how to withdraw from this particular platform right here, and this is the settings. You can go ahead to modify your password, modify your security password, and get a lot of things done in this particular space right here. So let's go back and let's see the next thing we can currently do in this platform. So let's go back into staking right here. So before we go into staking, let's go into the white paper of this particular project right here. So as we said earlier, the white paper for this particular project is kind of important, right? So let me log out and let's see. You can see this is the app, this is the stuff. So at this particular site, you are going to be seeing the white paper for this. So this is the white book right here. So if you click on the white book, it's actually going to load up, then we can read what we have on the white book. So this is the white book of this particular project. You can currently read about it and how they work, what they've been doing for a very long time, and how they are going to be benefit. So that is that. So go ahead to read that right here. So that is the white paper. So this is how to start, this is the allocation, this is the calculation, this is how to contact the customer care, this is how to download, and if you have question, these are the recent questions that has been asked on this particular platform. You can go ahead, so you can just try to navigate whatever is actually going on into this platform. So let's go back to the login details and let's go ahead to withdraw. So this is like an interesting part to actually get the withdrawal. So let's see how this platform is going to work. Let's see if we can currently withdraw, and with the withdrawal it's going to be successful. So right here, so let's go into withdraw. So the first thing to do is to click on this particular site. So click on withdraw right here. So this deposit, this recharge rather. So let's click on withdraw. Let me go back. So staking, then I'm going to click on withdraw at this particular site. So if you want to withdraw, you can currently see this is the particular amount I have to withdraw right here. So about 61 kind of stuff. I'm going to be withdrawing 15 only right here. So all I need to do is to put my USDT address right here, which is my BEP20 right here, and also I'm going to put my amount I want to withdraw right here, and also put this particular right. So let's go ahead to check my accounts. So I'm going to navigate into my crypto wallet, then I'm going to be clicking BEP20. I'm going to be using BEP20 for this particular withdrawal. You can see I'm going to click on this, then I'm going to withdraw, copy my contract address right here. You can see contract address copied. Then I'm going to come back to this right. So coming back to this particular site, I'm going to be selecting my withdrawal system. So I'm going to be using BEP20. You can see I have the BEP20 right here. So my BEP20, I have this particular amount. Currently, I'm going to be using my BEP20. Then I'm going to click the withdrawal amount I actually withdraw. So to confirm if this is right, just minimize and check again. All right, so this is correct. Then I'm going to be inputting the amount I want to withdraw. So the minimum amount you can currently withdraw is actually $2 right here. So I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to click on all. So I want to withdraw all right here. So the next thing I need to do is put my password right here. I'm going to input my password right now. So right now I've successfully input my password. So let's see what the rules say before we go ahead to recharge. So the minimum cash withdrawal is actually 2 USDT, and the withdrawal will be deposited into your account with 1 to 5 minutes right here. So we are going to check and wait for 1 to 5 minutes to see if this is going to be deposited into our account right here. So let's click on confirm right here. So after clicking on confirm, they said withdrawal successful. This has been sent to my wallet right here. So I'm going to wait for it to load. So while waiting for this to load, let's come back to staking right here and let's see what we can. So you can see on staking the amount has actually left here. So let's see how many minutes it's going to come in to load right now. So this is like a minute. So let's check out our wallet right here. So on my wallet you can see I have about 15 this particular deposit recharge that is showing to deposit. So let's see, let me just refresh right here. You can see this is on pending, it's currently coming in, so it's actually not loaded right here. So let's wait for it to come in. So after about a minute to 2 minutes, I will receive a withdrawal or update like say, so the deposit amount 15 USDT has been deposited into this particular wallet address, and this is my Bybit account. So I'm going to go straight down to check on my Bybit right here. So let's just click on to check right here. So I'm going to refresh this and see this has been deposited into my account at this particular moment. So you can see I have 15 right here. So that is basically how this particular account currently work right here. So that is basically how it works. So there's a good news that you can actually get money without even investing into this particular stuff. So how do you do that? So you can currently be an agent also. So if you become an agent in this particular platform, you are going to be getting a reward also with how many people you actually bring into the platform and how you can actually go ahead to benefit from them also. So you can go ahead to register into the platform, but remember to make your own personal research before you eventually start anything into this particular stuff. So do not forget the referral program is still quite going on, and you can be an agent also to get. So you can see they are, you can share to your WhatsApp, Instagram and every other stuff. So right here we have the staking. We can actually read up on all this particular update and everything, how it currently work in this particular platform. So if you actually find this particular video useful for you, do well to like, and remember to invest wisely into this particular platform. Remember, investment is all about risk, and do well to make your own personal research before you eventually invest into this particular platform.